Traditional springtime drink from Finland, Sima. Important to start the preparations early because it takes a week almost. So first peel the outer skin of 2 lemons so that peeler is easier, so that we avoid the white part that is more bitter. When you have them peeled, just slice them up like that. And then we'll take 4 liters of water. Let's boil half of the water. When water is boiling, we add sugar and brown sugar and also the lemons. Stir it a bit and take off the heat and put the lid on. Wait until all the sugar has dissolved and add the cold water. Then it's time to add the yeast. This is active dry yeast. Mix it and let's wait the next day. So time to put Sima to bottles. You can use also a strainer to help to get the Sima filtered. So let's put sugar and some raisins to the bottles and then close the bottles not airtightly, so that because it will ferment. Check the raisins every day, and when they are on top, it's ready for tasting. Sima is best enjoyed with some donuts. Hauskaa vappua!